telling us what we can do to repair our skin from summer damage, right?
Yes. And have you ever heard, now Rick, this question isn't for you, it's for Britt. Have you ever heard of PCA skincare?
No, I don't believe I have.
It's all over the place in the United States, in Arizona, and 70 different countries around the world. Developed 21 years ago right here in Arizona. That's why we're featuring it. Dr. Linder's here with us this morning. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So all of these products that we've pulled have been featured in Oprah's Magazine and in Vogue.
Yes, exactly. So we were really lucky that we really believe in developing products that work really well, and as a result we had several products that were listed as being favorite products, one of which was a sunscreen. It's called Weightless, and the reason why it was so successful is when you put it on, it feels like nothing's on, but it's a SPF of 45 with full UVA, UVB protection.
If Oprah likes it, I like it too. I'm one of those cult followers. Okay, tell us about this. They call it the Wonder Wash, but what is it really?
So it's the Dry Skin Relief Bar. It's actually Val, one of Oprah's beauty editor's favorite products, and you use it on a daily basis, and what it does is it actually helps your skin get moisturized even through the washing process.
So what do you do? Put like a sponge there?
Take a sponge, build up a lather, and then wash your face with it.
Very nice. And now this is your newest product and the one I'm most excited about.
So we have two new retinol products, and they are fantastic. Truly a game changer in the treatment of acne, fine lines, wrinkles, and anti-aging. And what it does, you put it on nightly, and it helps all those things improve. And Vogue wrote it up as being one of the favorite products, as did Oprah, and it's been truly successful and one of the best new products on the market.
And you put it on at night, so it works while you sleep, which is awesome.
Exactly. It's vitamin A.
Now, I want to show everybody the Vizia camera here, because sometimes it's hard to know where do you start. There's so many products out there, and you guys have this camera. And tell me how this works.
So the Vizia is a camera that allows us to take very specific photos, and you can track it over time. And so we use it to track deep into hyperpigmentation as well as fine lines and wrinkles and redness. And this is a patient who started out, on makeup you could tell that she doesn't have anything going on, but then with UV light you can see the deep pigmentation. And then we treated her with skincare for 3 months using a vitamin A product like a retinol, and then we added some additional peels and really significantly improved her skin.
So this is before and after, and this camera can go 7 layers deep. Will you show me the one picture that shows all of the stuff that's like really underneath your skin? So you think you have beautiful skin, you take a picture with this camera and it shows you the honest answer, and it just shows all the sun damage and all of that.
So this is exactly what we're talking about. So that's what the UV camera does, and here at PCA Skin we use this to be able to track our patients to see how much the skin is really improving. We're getting it healthier rather than just making it look better.
But even if you're not a patient, you can come in and get this done just to kind of see where you stand.
So we use it both in clinical trials for PCA Skin, and we also use it within my practice. So if someone comes into my office and they get a treatment done with the esthetician, we also take pictures with the Visia. And you can basically do the same thing we do with clinical trials at PCA with your own skin.
How much is the camera?
So when we do a treatment, it's $125, and the Visia is part of that process.
And so speaking of treatments, we decided to show off a treatment that's perfect. It's the end of summer. A lot of us have a lot of sun damage from being outside so much. So this is one that'll kind of jumpstart your skin and give it that boost.
Right. So this is a Sensi Peel, which is made by PCA Skin, and all skin types can tolerate, whether you're the most sensitive skin, if you're super pale or you're super dark. And it really lifts that pigmentation, helps acne get better as well as hydrating the skin. It's a wonderful thing to get your skin back in shape.
What's the downtime on a peel like this?
So you might have a little flush for an hour or so, but you actually can go out to dinner that night and look fantastic.
Wow.
You might have a little fine flaking like you do after a sunburn for maybe 3 to 5 days, but if you put moisturizer on, it still looks great.
All right. Dr. Jennifer Linder, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. I love all these products. So look at see this tray table right here? I'm going to just wheel this home.
Yeah.
Because this is what I need to use. This is my daily regimen right here. Yes.
Oh my gosh, that would be so awesome. You know, and it's important to do those things for your skin, especially as you age, Alexis. I mean, you got to keep that skin up and looking pretty. Arizona Spa Week, though, guys, by the way, it's coming up in October